Take 4. Yes, we are doing 2 episodes a day. You guys have 1 less member, but also the next challenge is to make me something. By the way, the 2 members per team. Okay, we'll go. Actually, I'll go. I don't want to go. No. Oh, looks like we're going. Oh, we got to cook. I thought you were fish. We are fish. Okay, George, come on, let's go. Alright, what should we make, Thomas? I don't know. Fish. Fish, let's make fish. Okay, do we have any fish? We don't have any real fish. Okay, fine. Let's use goldfish. Okay. And now, and the bread. We're gonna have bread for a sandwich. We're gonna make fish sandwich. Alright, we're going to make a drink. Okay. Alright, let's get the cup. And where is the cup? Okay. Good, we got the cup. Good. Now we should add a little bit of water. Okay. Let's go get some water.
Right. Are you ready, Benji?
Alright. A little bit of water. Alright, there we go. Alright, so now we add something inside. Well, I don't know what to put in, neither do I. Okay. How about, okay, let me go in the fridge and get some fish.